Hey everybody, so I'm just going to do a quick unboxing because I got something really cool today. This is my current phone. Not a lot of people know that I use this, but today I just got sent this, so I'm super stoked. Thanks LG South Africa. And this is a real unboxing, so I haven't opened this at all. I'll fire it up as well. Let me do stuff down here. So, because they sent this to me, I couldn't really choose the color, but they sent me the black leather one, which is kind of nice, I think. I really wanted the brown. And just for comparison purposes, looks pretty nice. It's really light, there's no battery in there, that's why. Feels very similar to the G3 in my hand. Obviously a little bit more grip. Let's see what else is in the box. Okay, there's a... Oh, I actually saw this in another video and I wasn't sure if it was going to happen for me or not. Let's see what's in here. I'm hoping it is what I think it is. It's not. Okay, cool. Just a little bookie. Little manual, I guess. Charger, 1.8 amps, so that should do a pretty good job of charging. Get rid of that stuff. Pretty standard micro USB cable, and a battery, which I believe is a 3000 milliamp battery. So that's good. It's probably the biggest battery in a flagship phone right now. So let's pop this in. Get rid of that. The bezel on this seems quite nice. It actually looks like it's real metal. I mean, like, it's hard to tell, but it does really look like real metal. So that's a bit of an upgrade from the other bezels. Let's see if it starts up. It should. Doing some Android-y startup stuff. It's taking a while. So what I'm really excited about is the camera. You know, I'm pretty used to the LG G3 camera. It's got the laser autofocus. This has got some new sensors in it. Sensors sort of, I kind of like, I don't know if it's a white balance sensor, but apparently adjusts the sort of tone of your images. But of course this has got a 1.8 aperture, which is the new number that all the phones seem to be trying to outdo each other with. So should give you really better performance in low light, and also maybe some extra depth of field. Although with this little sensor you don't, which is you know, the smartphone sensors, I don't really know, but I'll try and see if I can get some good depth of field shots. If you want to see shots from this phone, follow me on Instagram at Scrumpy Jackson. And then on my feed, probably the last 3 months, people don't know this, but most of my shots are taken with the G3, so you should go check it out. Okay, something's happened. I would like to choose the right settings off the bat, although that might take some time for you guys. Perfect. Yeah, we'll just Skip anyway. I don't have a SIM card in it just yet. Date and time. I'm just going to skip. Signing my life away, I don't know what I just agreed to, and there we go. We have a user interface. It's nice and bright. Some LG stuff on that side. I actually really like LG's skin, so I'll probably keep this. Seems really fast. I mean, I don't have any apps running, but seems good. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Okay, in my excitement, I forgot to open the earphones. They came in this really cool little box. Quad Beat premium earphones. I love them. They sound really good, and what I like about them is well, obviously the color's really cool, but they don't look like phone earphones, you know, and they're not just a standard black or the standard white, so it looks like you're actually got aftermarket earphones. So yeah, these are really cool as well. Love them. I will do a review of the phone maybe in a week or so, so subscribe and check back later.